We are in one of the most charming and quaint little towns here in Vietnam. We are going to be riding bikes. This is such a vibe! Taking a boat ride and eating some of the most delicious and cheap food you can find here in Vietnam. This is Hoi An.
We are traveling from the south to the north of Vietnam and seeing everything in between. After spending a few days in Ho Chi Minh City,
Oh my gosh, what's happening?
we took a flight to Da Nang and then a short 1-hour drive to Hoi An.
Today we have woken up in the most romantic city, and as you can see from behind me, it's super quiet. But when we arrived yesterday, we were greeted with packs and heaps of people. As I'm standing here next to the river, we have got a very exciting thing that we want to do this morning. But how are we gonna get there? Let's go get some bicycles. It's perfect.
One's okay.
Look good? Ready?
Feel good. Ready. Lovely bicycle you got there. Wow, stylish.
This is going to be the best way to get around this town.
I'm on my motorbike. Oh, not motorbike. I'm on my bicycle. Wow. Can't believe I'm not used to riding a bike anymore. Goodness gracious.
There we go. Oh,
Whoa.
there we go. Oh. Bit of a riggedy bike this one.
Bicycle cam. If I crash into you, I'm sorry.
This is so awesome.
I'm so excited.
You on a bike? Look at those little legs go. Hoi An actually translates to peaceful meeting place, and they preserved the streets for only bicycles and pedestrians such as us today.
This is so cool.
Hello. Hello. Oh, that's my girl. I'm coming.
Look at this charming town. There's not a single... We're gonna crash. Not a single person inside, boyfriends following. In 1999, this lovely town was deemed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO due to the fact that it's a sinking town.
Because it's less than 2 meters below sea level, so they really want to keep that heritage for a long time.
Wow, look at this. Coming to our first intersection. There's a few motorbikes. Going over the bridge. Oh! Get those knees going. Get those knees going, dang. Goodness gracious. Oh, sorry, almost crashed into that guy. How are you?
Very good at you. South Africa. YouTube, so sweet. Casual chat on the bikes. Why not?
Tourists are in full swing this morning. So nice. I love these little quaint streets where you can just find endless amounts of coffee shops. I need a coffee though. Oh, sorry. This one looks so good. Let's go here. How are you? That's good. Is the caramelized coffee good? Okay, I'll have one caramel coffee and one coconut coffee.
May I ask you something?
Yes.
You have the vlog on YouTube, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god, thank you so much
I
for
watch
watching.
you always, so it's hard. So I follow you like vlog.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Whoa. Whoa, still going. Still going out. Look at where we are right now. We're on the rooftop of this beautiful coffee shop. It's so nice to overlook the whole town here. We can even see the little streets at the bottom, all the shops, all the people taking their selfies. This place is called FIFO Coffee. You must come here in Hoi An. And it's actually got 3 floors. Now I can see why this place is so popular. And of course we have to have a coconut coffee, even a caramelized coffee on this rooftop right here to see the perfect view and catch the ambience here in Hoi An.
Quickly, we want to remind you about Surfshark VPN, which is something we have used a lot here in Southeast Asia. It's something that protects your online identity, but it can also give you access to a lot of content to watch. Recently, we have been so hooked on a series called Alone, but it's a Netflix USA exclusive only. With Surfshark, we can change our virtual location to the US, and then we get access to mind-blowing Netflix goodness. So if you're like us and you're traveling, or you just want to get access to more content, we'll put a link in the description below and you can try it out for yourself.
This hits the spot. Whew, that coffee was needed. Ooh, that's hot. This is so cool. I'm on the go again. Woohoo!
Time to go and get some lunch. It's so hot, so we're kind of jumping from place to place, getting a coffee, get some lunch.
That uphill though. Where am I going? I'm going through this little market right now.
All you can smell is the fresh fruit, the veg, a lot of seafood. Wow. Gotta watch where I'm going though. Hello, hello.
They've done the right thing by covering it up with some umbrellas.
Oh.
I think hiring a bike is such a good idea because you could just see everything, and it's hot, so the breeze helps.
You can hire one for the day. It's only about 50,000 dong.
Hey!
Hello!
Hello! Yes, I remember you! Ooh, I'm about to crash. So right now we're sat in the old town and we've just ordered.
Oh! Thank you.
We've just decided to sit at this little hole-in-the-wall restaurant. It's right across the river overlooking the beautiful boats, and we are ordering the dish of Hoi An, which is Cat Lao, and it's only made right here in Hoi An. You won't find it anywhere else in Vietnam. Hello!
How are you?
Good, how are you? What are you making?
It's barbecue.
Wow, that looks really, really good. We like spicy.
I like chili, chicken chili.
Yes.
We said we liked spicy and this is what they gave us.
They did not disappoint.
Wow. This is the chicken rice and this is the Cat Lao. The Cat Lao was 30,000 Vietnamese dong. The chicken rice was 50,000. The food here in Hoi An is so reasonable.
So when you're in a new place, of course, you have to try the dish from that city, and it's got lots of earthy ingredients. It's got some veg, some chicken, some peanuts, of course some noodles, and a really nice peanut sweet and sour sauce. Oh, that chili. So the chicken's actually barbecued and it goes so nicely with these noodles. So we're gonna have this now, have our chicken fried rice, and overlook the beautiful ambience here in Hoi An.
Get a girl. You look good. Sorry. Sorry. Wow, careful.
It's so awesome driving down these little alleyways. All the shops are open. It's boiling hot. But this is such a vibe.
Hoi An is known for exporting textiles to many Southeast Asian countries, and that's why throughout the city you can just see leather shops, textiles, clothes.
Which is why this is the perfect place to get your dress or your suit tailor-made. So you're probably thinking there's not much to do here, and as you can see there's nobody else here. But at night, this is how busy it is. Everybody is out, the weather is much cooler, and of course the nightlife happens. I love these little quaint alleyways where you just find all sorts of hidden gems. We've just found this place on a side alley with homemade ice cream. Can we have 2 mint chocolate chip? My favorite flavor of ice cream ever has got to be mint chocolate chip. We call it choc mint.
Look how red my arm
Oh
is.
no, that is the ultimate shirt tan. We got these ice creams for 22,000 dong. I'm one happy girl.
One of the most popular things to do here in Hoi An because of the canals is take a boat ride. And right now it's mid-afternoon, all the boats are lining up the canal. We just bought a ticket for a 20-minute ride, 150,000 dong for only 20 minutes, but we get a private boat, just the 2 of us. And as the sun goes down, all the lanterns on the boat start to light up.
Oh, ticket. Oh my god.
Whoa. Okay. It's scarier than it looks.
Okay.
Oh, we're on board.
This is our boat.
Sit down. Okay.
Okay, sitting down. Oh,
Ah.
thank you.
Thank you.
The life jacket going.
Wow. That's speedy.
We look like the people landing the airplanes.
What an amazing opportunity to take one of these old style boats straight through the canals.
Cool. We just get to cruise along the river. There's no engines. It's just so peaceful. And you just feel like the ambience of all the people around us.
All the way along the canal, there are all these little restaurants that pop up out of nowhere.
We were walking around all day today. There was nobody in sight. But as soon as the sun sets, everybody appears. We've decided to light some lanterns here and put it in the river because this is the lantern town. And if you put one in the river, it's just a sign of good luck and peace and
Make a wish.
make a wish. You can't tell someone your wish. It has to be a secret.
Okay. There it goes.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, he's sinking.
Oh no.
Oh.
That's not a good sign.
Oh, there's your wish. Oh no.
That's so good, hey.
That emotional thing. Be free.
Be free. Bye, little guy.
Here he goes.
Here he goes. We're so happy to spend just a few days here in Hoi An, and I think a few days is not enough. We're already falling in love with this charming little town.
Slowly. Thank you. That was cool.
Oh, we've checked another thing off our bucket list. First one was to eat Cat Lao. Second was to have a boat ride. Right now we are walking through the night market. It is absolutely jam-packed with people. I can't believe how many stalls there are, how many street food carts, how much music is playing, live music, karaoke. You can buy anything you can think of here. Souvenirs, street food. There's so much happening. It's absolutely buzzing.
And there are still the bikes coming through, even though it's such a narrow street. Sorry. It's crazy. Wow, it's so awesome. What a vibe. Hoi An transforms at night, and I am all for it. dinosaur leg.
Dinosaur leg.
So during the day, this market doesn't exist. This is just a normal street, and now there are stalls everywhere. Absolutely crazy. Wow.
Oh my gosh! I like a Vietnamese lady. I can't believe how heavy it is. Wow, it's heavy.
Thank you. $60. Thank you. Come on.
That was so awesome. I can't believe how heavy those are. I mean,
They're
there's only
so
a few
strong.
fruits on there. Oh, they were so lovely. Oh, what's this?
Coconut?
Pancake?
Banana pancake, coconut pancake.
This
Oh.
is so interesting. I've never seen this before. A round coconut pancake. I assume it's just like the flat one. But this one's in like a cute cup. Can we have one?
Yeah, thank you. Come on. Thank you. Whoa.
Look at this coconut pancake. It looks like a sandwich. It is crispy. It's hot. It smells absolutely divine. There's even a bit of chocolate sauce on the inside.
Thank you.
Come on. Thank you.
And it was just 20,000 Vietnamese dong. Crunchy. Fluffy pancake on the outside, chocolate sauce, coconut. What an incredible 24 hours here in Hoi An. And we have eaten our way through, we've seen our way through everything. If you like this video, we think you'll really like this video up here. And if not, check out this video down here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.